Hi, I'm David Odegard, Product Manager for United Pacific. Today we're going to talk about our sequential headlights and sequential rearview mirrors for the Peterbilt, Kenworth, and Freightliner trucks. Installation is a breeze. These sequential headlights install exactly like the original headlights on the truck. We even include the special screwdriver for adjusting the headlight aim. We offer this new line of sequential headlights for the Peterbilt 386, 387, 389, 579, the Kenworth T660 and T680, and also the Freightliner Cascadia. Not only are our headlights sequential, but we offer the sequential hood-mounted mirrors as well. These mirrors fit exactly where the factory mirror went, but you get the benefit of the sequential operation. We offer these mirrors for the Peterbilt, Kenworth, and the Freightliner Cascadia. An issue that a lot of trucks have that were originally incandescent lights is that LEDs draw less amperage and will require a load resistor on the turn signal circuit. One of the last steps is to aim the headlights. We include the 4mm nut driver, which you remove this cap, turn the headlight up, down, left or right, aim it against a wall, and you're done. If your truck uses the dual 4x6 system, we also offer the sequential LED bar as well. Also for the P4 Cascadia, we offer the mid-cab turn signal light in sequential as well. Sequential operation also is available for your trailer. This is the 6-inch oval mid-trailer turn signal light. United Pacific has modules that will allow any 3 lights on your rig to have sequential operation. With these modules, hookup is a breeze. There's 3 outputs with a ground, a running light, and a stop turn. Easy to hook up on any truck. As you can see, installation of our lights is truly plug and play, whether you're installing our sequential headlights, our sequential mirrors, or any of our sequential accessory lights as well. If you need assistance, support is available at faq.upauto.com. You can find our products at any United Pacific dealer or visit our dealer portal at truck.upauto.com.